Let's get into the other one, the kube-c-tl execute command. Execute a commands in a running pod. Say for example, if the pod is running and you want to run some cleanup activity or any kind of root cause analysis or debugging, you want to get into the pod, right? So there are a lot of situations where you need to see whether the configuration is deployed properly or not. In that case, you have to get into the pod. So this particular command we use on a daily basis is very helpful command. Let's see how it works. So from terminal I can see there is one pod running, which is our web app. So now we have to get into that. For that we have to use kube-c-tl execute and then the pod name -it, which means interactive terminal pod name, and then the which mode we want to get in, bash mode. So -it my web app. I need to copy this whole thing. And then bin bash mode. Seems there is no bash mode here in this container. I'm getting inside in a shell prompt. So you can see now it is in the pod. So inside the pod we can see all these things, and the one we interested in is docker-entry point. So if you just cat that, you will see all the configurations for this. So any files or any content you're interested, you can just go and check it and verify yourself. Again, this is only the read-only mode. You cannot edit anything here, but you can just verify things. I think this going on very smooth. These comments are very useful to you. We'll catch up in the next slides.